Go, go. Let's see. Let's see. This is gonna determine whether I beat him or not. Let's see. Go. No. And welcome everybody back to the vlog, man. Tell them where we're at.
Holding a bridge, dog.
I forgot my GoPro. I forgot my camera. I got to shoot on nothing, and we got iPhone footage for the next 2 days. So we're going to Lakeport, which is about 2 hours north of San Francisco. This is pretty much all we're doing today. We had 2 small jobs in the Bay. Lakeport, maybe Stockton, and call it a day because it's gonna take us forever to get there. So let's go. There it is. We made it to Lakeport. It's hot. It's like it's never been this hot near a lake, but I mean, there's not much to it in this city. Okay, man. Off to Sacramento. Stop at Stockton. Go town. Got a couple jobs here, then we're off to Lancaster and back home. We got to get out of here as fast as possible. Visalia. So today we're putting together the Jazzy Air 2.0. This is the one that this thing, it goes up and down. This is the Tehachapi Pass. We're about to go over into Lancaster, Mojave areas. Look at all those windmills somebody left on. After today, that's it, huh? We call it a weekend.
I'm tired, dog.
Come on, let's order up some food. We'll get back to you guys. And welcome everybody back to the vlog, huh? Where are we at today? We're in Bolero. It's that new place at the Santa Ana Mall. We're gonna try to play a bunch of games. Let me see which one. You wanna play Jurassic Park or? Oh look, one of the balls is already stuck right here. So how do you, oh there it goes. Oh, you almost had a jackpot, man. Where's the card at? This is like the game we used to play when you were a kid?
Next up, stack them up for more tickets.
Plastic thing?
Yeah.
Time's running out.
Oh, times 2. Oh, come on.
Wonderful. Awesome.
How many did you get? 350?
No.
The stone pickaxe. Check out these little flames on the side. These are the Guy Fieri specials, right? There you go. Yeah. 20. Oh no. Carolina's winning with 25.
I have 64.
You're winning?
I have to another one.
Let me see. You're not gonna beat me, bro. Oh! Hey, that's not even your ball. Hey, he played for you, and he got a gutter ball. Sit down.
I wanted to lose and get 2 gutters. Gutters! No!
Did you see that? No. Did you see that? That was a strike, bro. Go. Let's see. This is gonna determine whether I beat him or not. Let's see. Go. No, nothing. Go. Hurry. Nothing. No. Let's see what you get. Woo. No, you gotta hit all the pins.
He has got 1 gutter already. And this is our last one. Can it be? Yeah! Yes!
Oh, I still beat you. Look. Oh no. Raymond won. He got 81. Raymond won. So we have a winner. You ever had Japanese cheesecake, man? Japanese cheesecake? Why are you mad? Because you're not gonna get your Japanese ice cream? This guy, he's mad. Do you want a bigger small? So what do you have, Madison? Show me. Look at that. You try it? There's your somi, man. What do you think? Try it. Oh yeah. It's good? It's really good.